Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add GIFs in CapCut. GIFs are graphic interchange formats, commonly known as an animated image or moving image in a graphic format that is most often used for the purpose of website design and social networking. If you add GIFs in a video or a photo, it usually is a complementary effect so that the story that occurs in a video can be felt more by the audience. So in order to add GIFs into your CapCut video, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by tapping open your CapCut application from your app drawer, and once you reach to this page, tap on the New Project button. Select a photo or video that you'd like to add GIFs to, and you'll end up in this page. Now, this is a simple photo that I took, and I'm gonna add a GIF to this photo. You can also choose a video if you want. From this page, simply go to the stickers button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it on, and in the pop-up menu, tap on this plus button at the top left. Once you tap on that, this will take you to a camera roll. Select the GIF from the gallery that you've prepared by tapping on it, and simply place the GIF image anywhere you like on the screen. After you're done, tap on the tick button, and you have done adding a GIF to your image or video. To see the GIF working, tap on the play button, and there you go. That is how you can easily add GIF on CapCut. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.